Pretty solid. That shows him. That goes nowhere. On the right there, that little trail. That goes to one of the streets. The one on the left. This part of the trail is what we came in on. It's actually new. Where it was clay, probably, 100 foot or so down there. But we can go up this way and you can check it out. It's after school hours, I'm sure. And you want to lean forward, you got whatever.
No school, summer school. Summer school maybe?
Yeah. No, they're done with school today. Did you go over backwards? In too high of a gear?
No. I stopped to pick up a baseball.
Oh!
It's a round ball there. I think it's a soft rubber thing. That's why I got a rack in my bike. I find good stuff and I put it in the rack.
Oh yeah. Hey, look at what we got here. This hill right straight ahead of us is where I went over backwards.
Can you show it to me again?
No. No, thank you.
Can you so I'm done.
And before they put that stretch in here, you had to go down this hill and kind of turn and then go between the hill and the woods through the brush. And you could dive down here if you were insane. Of course, that's where Noah wiped out. He went up that. And then I hurried because I saw he wiped out. And I went and said, you see where the valley is in the hill here? That's drainage. That's easy to ride up. But I was worried that he hurt himself. So, yeah, here's somewhere. And that's gated too. Yeah, you can see the gate down there. Anyways, I didn't make it up this hill. Hello. Wonderful if it doesn't rain. Keep them laughing. Whew. Yeah, I think so. What do they call it, middle school?
I don't know.
Yeah. There used to be a school across here too, but they tore it down and made an old people's home. of some form. Oh, I'm getting rain again. Yeah, I see him.
How much you gonna pay the church to bury there in the yard?
Huh?
How much you gonna pay the church?
Oh, I have no idea.
Just for the elite.
Well, often it's for the nuns and the priests. It's an old cemetery. It's big. It goes way back here. We'll go by it. They got a huge koi pond. Be nice to go fishing in, but they don't like you to catch their koi. Fancy carp.
Where?
We'll go make a right up here.
Oh. It was a lot of money compared to where you're at.
I know, and what they're coloring and everything. Their markings. I mean, it's not Rose Hill Cemetery, but it's pretty good size. The pond's up here.
Yeah, Rose Hill, I'm in Chicago, you mean? The one by Western there?
Yeah, Western and Peterson
Yeah,
or
you know
whatever.
what they got in Peterson and off of there? Old folks' home. Oh,
How convenient.
Yeah, I was just saying,
Here's the koi pond. I think it was Craig and I were exploring in Rose Hill Cemetery, and we found a gravestone that said Frank, capital N period, Stein. Frank N. Stein. Frankenstein, yeah, for real. And it's beautiful. We played around in there, man. I'm surprised little younger kids don't get caught. I think we were like 4th or 5th grade maybe.
Yeah. That's what we're exploring, man.
But they have a huge pond in there and all kinds of stuff going on. Oh yeah, Spring Grove is under construction. This might be interesting. To get to, I often go in the road here too. We'll play it by ear. Oh. 50. I got the treat for you. I got a spicy treat. Yeah, you don't want to go down that trail that we didn't go down right here. It's all broken glass and crap. There's a cul-de-sac. Probably punks go down there to drink their beer and fling their bottles out. When this isn't under construction like this, I just go in the street and make a left turn up here. I snugged them up.
Yeah, I don't have to pull. I know when you tie on it. You know, it'll be bad.
Well, it wasn't this one. It was the Fat Moto. I think you were pulling on the handlebars to get on the bike.
What's that?
The Fat Moto. It wasn't that bike. That the handlebars were loose on the gas bike. Oh, that one's loose too?
Yeah, it was this one.
Oh, well, when we get up here, we can snug it.
No, it's okay.
Oh,
That motor wasn't the one.
the Fat Moto was the one with the loose handlebar.
It did?
Yes.
I didn't notice that.
No, you complained about it when we got back.
This here.
It's not that one.
That motor?
Yeah.
I don't remember. It's nice here.
I had it loose or snug just
Another thing is the mirror here.
to adjust.
It didn't move too much. Too easily.
Yeah, you want to tighten it? You want to snug it a little? Here, I keep the basics in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
A little bit, not to put the plastic. Well, you get all this stuff from Amazon. You got Amazon Prime?
Yeah.
Oh, and you get free shipping.
Yeah.
Oh, good. I order all this stuff for you to keep your money.
How's that? Which one? Oh, that little one.
Yeah.
Try that one.
No, it just fits.
Oh, it does? Okay.
Not too tight, huh?
No, it just snugs.
This is
Oh,
good.
a little tiny bit more.
Just a little bit. You hear the squeak. Almost a stop. Crack.
That's good.
That's good.
If it's smooth. One of them broke off. I put a screw, took the mirror out and put a screw all the way through. And then super glued them.